Hi student, video number 16, complex number, DeMoiver's theorem. Given any complex number cos theta plus I sin theta and any integers n. First term cos theta plus I sin theta to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Listen children, bringing power inside that angle. Second term cos theta minus I sin theta whole power minus n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Third term cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Fourth term cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus n is equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Finding nth root. How do you find that nth root? I teach you step by step. A number of omega is called an nth root of a complex number z. If omega power n equal to z and omega equal to z to the power 1 by n. Now I teach step by step. Step number 1, in that given value you should write that given number in polar form. Step number 2, in this polar form you should add 2k pi to the argument. Added 2k pi to the argument. Step number 3, apply DeMoiver's theorem. Now only I teach you how do you apply that DeMoiver's theorem. Step number 4, putting k value. K value means what is the power values are available, that value is called k value. And note 1 plus omega square. What is this means? First 3 roots of adding. Sum of the first 3 roots is equal to 0. And omega cube equal to 1. And easily we should find that polar form 1 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Minus 1 is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. I equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Minus I is equal to cos 3 by 2 plus I sin 3 by 2. Or cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2. Exercise number 2.8, question number 1. If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that given a plus b omega plus c into omega square divisible by b plus c into omega plus a omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square divisible by c plus a omega plus b omega square is equal to minus 1. Since omega is a cube root of unity, we have omega cube equal to 1. We know that. And 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now I taking LHS part. Just I multiply numerator, denominator, both terms are same. I will multiply this omega square up and down. So next part omega square multiply up and down. Listen children, I should multiply numerator only. Here I should multiply denominator only. Now I multiply a into omega square, b into omega cube and c into omega power 4. Now I write omega cube into omega. Listen, denominator I multiply omega square into c omega square. Omega square into a omega cube. Omega square into b omega square, b omega cube into omega. We know that omega cube value equal to 1. Then I write a omega square plus b omega, because omega cube value equal to 1. This also same, c omega. Listen children, numerator, denominator same values are there. That's why I cancel it. Here omega square a into b omega plus c omega square. Listen, omega cube value equal to 1. So a only. Omega cube value equal to 1 b way here. Both are same. So cancel it. Remaining 1 by omega plus 1 by omega square plus omega square. Now by taking cross multiplications, so 1 plus omega power 4 divisible by omega square. Omega power 4 omega cube into omega. Omega cube value equal to 1. So 1 plus omega divisible by omega square. So 1 plus omega in given value 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We want to 1 plus omega means is equal to minus omega square. Now I replace this value. Both values are same. I cancel. Remaining I got it minus 1. Next questions. Example 2.7. Question number 2. Show that root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5 is equal to minus root 3. LHS side, root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5. Now by finding this part alone in polar form. Polar form of root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 is equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. We will find R value and theta value. Already I teach you in the previous sum, R value equal to square root of real part square, imaginary part square. Real part mean root 3 by 2 to the whole square. Imaginary part mean 1 by 2 to the whole square. That is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to square root of 4 by 4. That is R value equal to 1. Theta equal to, both are positive, so that it is first quadrant. Alpha equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Tan inverse of imaginary part value equal to 1 by root 3. It is equal to pi by 3. Then tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. So first quadrant mean theta equal to alpha. So theta equal to pi by 3. Then I write there root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 is equal to R value equal to 1 cos of pi by 6 plus I sin of pi by 6. Similarly, root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 is equal to cos of pi by 6 plus minus I sin of pi by 6. This is LHS side. Cos of pi by 6 plus I sin of pi by 6 whole power 5. Plus cos of pi by 6 minus I sin of pi by 6 whole power 5. Using DeMoiver's rules, cos of 5 pi by 6 plus I sin of pi by 6 plus cos of pi by 6 minus I sin of pi by 6. One term is positive, one term is negative, so that these twos are cancelled. These twos are same value, so that 2 cos of pi by 6. 2 into cos of pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So minus 2 into cos of pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 value root 3 by 2. 2 cancel is equal to minus root 3. Thank you children.